Welcome to the whole kit and caboodle's Gnome Adventures. Introducing your hosts for the day, Nickel Plenty Sparkletoes, Rosy Posy Pop Daughter, and Poppy Crafty Goddess.
Good morning, Scrappers, and welcome to our Gnome Garden. Are you ready for another virtual adventure?
Did you know that gnomes are a symbol of good luck? And today is your lucky day as we will be scrapping with our gnomies. Originally, gnomes were thought to provide protection, especially a buried treasure. And we do have some treasures for you today.
Speaking of treasure, Nickel Plenty, I need you to.
Yes, Poppy?
I just wanted to remind you that we need to.
Yes, I know. I need to start packing orders, shipping, organizing, inventory.
I just need you to.
Don't worry. It's done, done, and done.
All I want is for you to let the Scrappers know what we have in store for them today.
Now that's a fun task. Today's mini event will take place right here in this Facebook group. The schedule is posted on our website, as well as in the announcements section of this group. You may need to refresh your screen for the new videos to appear. To participate in a contest, simply comment on that contest video. You may need to wait until the video is completely over before you are able to add a photo comment. You can find all of the contests by scrolling down the Facebook feed or by clicking the contest button under the popular topics section. You are welcome to comment through Sunday night, and we'll announce the winners on Wednesday, May 19th. Our first contest is coming up soon. In the meantime, let us know you're here. We'd love to hear your gnome name for the day. Maybe we need to award a prize for an outstanding gnoming participant. In the meantime, I'm off for a little morning sunbathing.
Tengo un bonito par de coconuts. Wow!